Hey guys, David here, and welcome to Digital Outlook. In today's video, new all-time high for XRP incoming. So guys, let's get to it. So guys, if you've been following this XRP ecosystem the last few days, which I'm sure most of you are, then you know that we are seeing some big time strength out of XRP right at the very beginning of this 2025. On January 31st, 2024, XRP was trending around that, $2.01, 2, maybe 3 cents, something like that. Actually spiked up there a little bit. I think it got to 209, 213. Needless to say, guys, look at where we are today. At the time of this recording, XRP is now trading at $2.45. That is a major percentage gain, literally just in the last couple of days. And you have got some big time interest and analysts that are calling for an all-time high before the end of this month. Now, guys, just check this article out right over here. XRP open interest spikes 19% to top, get this, $2 billion as volume hits 11-day peak amid a price recovery. And what a recovery it is. XRP, for context, rebound comes from on the back of a comparative recovery across the broader market. However, the altcoin appears to be leading the charge, having increased by an impressive 11% over the past 24 hours to retest the $2.40 price territory, which, guys, right now it is breaking through that barrier as we speak. Now, this bullish push follows XRP's impressive close above $2 last year, 2024. And guys, that marked a historic close for XRP, the highest annual close XRP has ever had in its history. Now, notably, this marked the first time the crypto asset ended a year above the $2 mark right there throughout its history. As momentum builds amid improved sentiments, interest in the asset has skyrocketed in the spot and futures markets. Particularly, data from CoinGlass confirms that XRP open interest hit a peak of $2.29 billion on the day. Guys, that is truly phenomenal when you think about it. And do you think that this is retail right here? Like I say, guys, this billions of dollars, it is not retail. You are talking institutional gobbling it up like crazy. Now, that was making an impressive 19% increase from the $1.93 billion figure recorded the previous day, being New Year's Day. Guys, we are making one high after another in XRP. Interestingly, the latest $2.29 billion figure marked the first time since Boxing Day, December 26, 2024, that XRP open interest in the future markets crossed the $2 billion mark, representing a 6-day top. Open interest refers to the total number of outstanding derivative contracts. A spike typically indicates an increase in market activity and, guys, get this, liquidity. Notably, these spikes in XRP open interest appear to occur alongside comparative surges in prices. A similar 46% increase in open interest on Christmas Day accompanied a surge in XRP's price above $2.32. However, as XRP open interest dropped amid a decline in market activity and liquidity, prices also collapsed, with the broader market experiencing a post-Christmas correction from December 27th. The latest increase in open interest now occurs alongside the latest market recovery. In addition, XRP volume, this is big, in the spot market has witnessed an impressive spike as traders and investors flock into the market. According to data from CoinMarketCap, get this, XRP's volume has increased by a massive 153% over the past 24 hours to 10.97 billion at press time. Guys, that is massive. Massive, massive, massive. I mean, 153%. Now you got all these fuzzers. Oh, how nobody's interested in XRP. Guys, come on. What a load of baloney. When you are seeing these kind of percentage gains in just 24 hours, a $10.97 billion increase, guys, that is global institutions literally building and bolstering this space up massively. Now, this represents XRP's highest 24-hour volume in 11 days. The last time the altcoin witnessed a volume peak was on December 22nd, 2024, as prices hovered around the $2.29 region. Now, XRP currently changes hands at $2.40, but like I say, guys, even as I started recording, it was literally at that $2.45 range, looking to transcend this price level on its journey to greater levels. The asset's market cap now stands at an impressive $137.73 billion following Ripple's latest escrow unlock. Some analysts like eGreg Crypto believe XRP could target lofty targets such as $27 this year, 2025. Well, guys, just check this article out right here. Could XRP surge to new highs in January? And there are a lot of analysts out there right now saying we could pierce that previous all-time high of $3.84 before the end of January of 2025. The first 2 days of trading suggest an upside bias. Now listen to this. XRP long-term holders soaked up short-term holders' recent profit taking as they resumed accumulation. Buyers across the top exchanges have dominated sellers since the beginning of 2025. XRP could test the $2.90 resistance after breaking out of key symmetrical triangle patterns. Ripple's XRP is up 7% on Thursday, extending its rally that began during the New Year's Day celebration. And boy, what a move we've made. Literally, it's only January 2nd and we are up some significant amounts. If long-term holders continue their recent accumulation, XRP could overcome the $2.90 resistance level and aim for a new all-time high. Guys, we have been here before when we've seen this kind of activity with institutional investors and global purchasers like crazy, and they have literally driven the price of XRP to all-time highs, and I do definitely believe we could absolutely see a new all-time high this month. It is certainly within the cards. Now, when you look at the on-chain activity, because this is what they're talking about down here, it's saying following a 12% jump in XRP's price on Wednesdays, investors booked over $1 billion. Get that, guys, $1 billion, the highest realized profit since December 16th. That is a major amount right there, locking in those profits, guys, and coming in, and you still got people buying it up. Remember this, for everyone selling, guys, someone else has to be buying. And a lot of times the fudgers will come out and they'll just say, oh, XRP is crashing, it's dumping. Well, for anyone who's selling it, like I say, someone else has to be buying it. What do you think is in the mind of the buyer who's gobbling it up while all the people that are falling for the FUD are selling it off? Well, they're thinking, hey, I think there's going to be some big time upside. They're gobbling up other people's fear and feeding their risk with it. You need to think about that when you're thinking about all the selling and all the pressure and all the fear. You want to think about the people that are out there just gobbling up those purchases, because usually, guys, it's whales, it's institutional investors, and they're looking down the road at what's coming, and they genuinely believe, come on, they're putting in tens of billions of dollars. Do you think they're doing that thinking, oh yeah, I have no problem losing a couple of billion? Not on your life. These guys are looking down the road, guys, because they want to see that 10 billion hit 20 billion. That's really what's going on there. Now, the profit taken was mainly from investors that have held XRP in the past 90 days, as indicated by a spike in the dormant circulation metric. However, long-term holders, a lot of these institutional investors have adopted a somewhat opposite attitude, accumulating the sell pressure from these short-term holders as reflected by an increase in the mean coin age metric. The mean coin age metric measures the average amount of time all XRP tokens have stayed in their current address. As seen in the chart below, an increase indicates accumulation is dormant dominance, over distribution. That means accumulation is people are buying it more than what people are willing to sell it. Now, XRP's net flow and volume across top crypto exchanges in the past 24 hours show a similar trend, with Binance, OKX, Bitstamp, and Bybit all showing net outflows. The only net inflow was recorded in Coinbase. Exchange net outflows indicate buying pressure is dominant. That means the people that are selling is getting gobbled up, gobbled up, gobbled up, and vice versa for net inflows. Meanwhile, with pro-crypto Paul Atkins potentially assuming the role of the United States Securities Exchange Commission chair on January 20th, it is unlikely the agency will pursue its appeal against Judge Annalisa Torres's ruling in its case against Ripple. Guys, that means they may drop that appeal. Completely drop it. Finally end this entire lawsuit. Now, the SEC faces a January 15th deadline to file the opening brief for its appeal. Guys, it wouldn't surprise me one bit if they missed doing that. And they didn't do it because they know that Atkins is coming in, and as the change of the guard takes place, he's going to drop the whole friggin' thing. Now, listen to this. XRP has sustained over 11.03 million in liquidations in the past 24 hours per CoinGlass data. The total amount of liquidated long positions reached 2.72 million, while short liquidations accounted for 8.31 million. Guys, these people that are out shorting XRP, truly, I really do believe, longing it or shorting it on the leverage sides, guys, to me, it's way too much risk for my liking. But needless to say, if you're shorting XRP in this environment, I think you need to have your head totally examined, because what a positive environment that it is when you're thinking about the with blockchain, and of course the president Paul Atkins getting in there, and the positive sentiment. It is truly wild that people would think that that's not going to have an impact in sentiment, and of course large price increases. And so anyone shorting it, to me, is just really, they've lost their minds totally. Now, XRP broke above a symmetrical triangle pattern on Thursday, extending its New Year's Day rally. With the breakout, XRP could rally towards the resistance level at $2.90, and move could be strengthened if XRP sees a slight downturn and bounces off the triangle's upper boundary line. So what they're talking about is, here this wedge is, it's kind of pierced it, and they're thinking of, hey, it could come back and it could tag that prior resistance as support and just fire off from there. That's what's going on right there, guys. Now, the relative strength index is above the neutral level, indicating dominant bullish momentum. Meanwhile, the stochastic oscillator is in its oversold region, signaling a potential correction could be imminent. A daily candlestick close below the triangle's lower boundary and the 50-day simple moving average would invalidate the thesis. But guys, we are seeing some major bullish activity. Now, just check this article out right over here. Analysts to XRP holders, get this. Get ready. XRP is ready to explode. New all-time high incoming. Renowned cryptocurrency analyst XRP Captain recently made waves on social media with a bold forecast for XRP's price action. Accompanied by a technical chart, his tweet proclaimed that XRP is poised for a significant price surge, potentially breaking its all-time high. The tweet read, XRP holders, get your blinkety blink ready. XRP is ready to explode. All-time high incoming. And look at, guys, he is seeing that consolidation in this triangle pattern, and boy, has it ever tightened up in here. And want to know something? If you look at this chart, you're going to see this is exactly what happened there in 2017, how it came to such a tight squeeze and absolutely fired off. Now, something I saw on the side here that I think is pretty wild is, look at this one right here. XRP, or an analyst says XRP will suddenly rise to $317.80 in January once this happens. Now, guys, I think when you see a lot of that, $317 XRP, that would mean you'd have to have a $20 trillion market cap. Now, does that mean it's never going to happen? Guys, I think someday we will see a triple digit XRP. Will it happen by the end of January? Well, if it does, guys, I'll tell you what, most of us are going to be absolutely gobsmacked for sure. But breaking its previous all-time high, I believe 100% it has the potential to do it. It's zero doubt about that. Now, the attached chart, a 4-hour candlestick view of the XRP USD pair, highlights a descending wedge pattern, a technical formation often associated with bullish breakouts. According to XRP Captain's analysis, the price is nearing the wedge's apex, hinting at an imminent upward breakout that could lead to substantial gains. A projected trajectory on the chart suggests a potential price target of $3.20, more than 50% above the current trading price of approximately $2.09. And guys, should we see that, it would not surprise me to see a little bit of a pullback, because of course there are people that have been waiting in this space who are going to sell right into that. But for us, guys, I'll tell you what, boy, are we waiting for some upper targets of XRP, of what we're hoping to see, and of course what we believe is going to happen. Now, descending wedges are widely considered bullish reversal patterns. This setup typically forms when the price consolidates between two downward sloping trend lines, with the diminishing volatility signaling an approaching breakout. XRP Captain's chart outlines these trend lines, suggesting that XRP is on the verge of breaking upward. The outlined breakout path appears to be based on the wedge pattern and historical resistance levels near that $3.20. If the predicted movement materializes, XRP could revisit its all-time high last seen during the 2017-2018 cryptocurrency bull run. Guys, it is really on, and we are watching it happen in real time, something that most of us that have been in this space have waited to see for years. I mean, Judy and I, we have been accumulating XRP for almost 5 years now. And we were there for that last bull run to watch it peak at $1.97. And guys, I'm telling you, it could literally just tinker along just like that. And all of a sudden, seemingly out of nowhere, bang, it just takes for the sky. And I'll tell you, when I see this kind of stuff and these TA guys coming out and saying that kind of stuff, and you're watching, this is not just one person saying it, you're seeing it all over the place and literally watching open interest. I mean, when you think about 10.97 billion, 153% over the past 24 hours. That is mind-boggling when you consider the amount of money you're talking about flowing in and through this space. For me, guys, it's a no-brainer, but like I love to say, get out there, dig up the research for yourself. But for Judy and I'm telling you, I think the sky's the limit. Cannot wait. I think it's going to happen way sooner than what most people even think. So guys, I truly hope that you enjoyed today's video, and as always, it's not financial advice, it's just my 2 cents. Hit the like and subscribe and drop your comments right down there in the comment section, and I'll catch you in the next one.